Now let's move to step 3. Tools and safety. One of the most important parts of HVAC training. Essential HVAC tools. As an HVAC technician, you must know your tools. Multimeter, used to check voltage, current and resistance. Manifold gauge, used to measure refrigerant pressure. Vacuum pump, used to remove air and moisture from the system. Wrench and cutter, for copper pipe work. Leak detector, to find gas leaks. Using the right tool makes your job easier and more professional. Electrical safety. Always respect electricity. Turn off power before working. Never touch live wires. Use insulated tools. One mistake can be dangerous. Gas and pressure safety. Refrigerant works under high pressure. Always open valves slowly. Never release gas directly into air. Wear safety gloves and goggles. Safety is not optional, it's necessary. Personal safety. Protect yourself at all times. Wear gloves. Use safety shoes. Avoid direct contact with hot or moving parts. Your safety comes first. Simple rule. Right tools plus proper safety equals professional technician. Ending line. Learn your tools, follow safety, and you're one step closer to becoming a pro.
If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.